Ki khubor ka bate si TV. Lawan Rashapi taka Frank Motors. Booking open for the new Nexon. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
Unong yalam jo keseng kongres wa Vincent H. Pala ula keno baka National People's Party kala persyang ban Khwai daki nong yalam nakapung jo ka All India Trinamool Congress ban naka Bharatiya Janata Party ban penyeng kumkikertong haka election Lok Sabha kamasalong hosnam ajar saw. Haka jinga kran berkilat patai kubor ba Pala ong baka NPP kamdan kertong shu ban Pynïakhun nakabentak Shillong seat. Ba day nakatakadaw ka persyang ban Khwai dagi nong yalam jong kaseng Trinamool Congress ban naka BJP.
You look into compare the MLAs and the MP elections, but like I said, it's different. But NPP, they don't have a candidate. Now they have to import from TMC, I think, or they have to import from BJP. But Champliang is one of them, which they get from the BJP. And I'm told newly that Bajaj also will be there. So they don't have even a candidate, they have to import themselves. I doubt even the NPP will vote for the NPP candidate because when they come from different parties and newly joined, so know that the uneasiness is always there when new people comes and join. And during the last election, they fought like cats and dogs, and suddenly they come and said, he's our hero, he's our candidate. I don't think that will have an impact much. So and as a leader, they may have a different perspective, but the voters are more important. So when it comes to the voters, it's very difficult to adjust between the voters of one party and other party. So I don't think whatever he says, I don't agree with that in totality. But if you look at the practical, at the vote share, is different. I think it's easy to talk, but when it comes to implementation, it's not as easy as it's planned.